If you want cleaner air in your bedroom, especially in low-light or windowless rooms, these 10 legendary houseplants are the best of the best. Some of them take in carbon dioxide at night and release oxygen while you sleep. Number 1 is the king of dark rooms and nighttime oxygen. Let us start at number 10. Number 10. Lucky Bamboo. Lucky Bamboo does not even need soil. It grows in just water and still produces a surprising amount of oxygen. You can place it on a desk, a bathroom shelf, or a bedside table. It tolerates weeks of low light or near darkness without complaint. Plus, it is famous in feng shui for attracting positivity and calm energy. It is believed to bring good luck, wealth, fortune and positive energy and wards off negative energy from house. 3 stalks represent happiness and longevity, and 5 stalks attract wealth and prosperity.
Number 9. Chinese Evergreen, Aglaonema.
One of the best plants for dark corners. They come in beautiful colors, pink, red, silver, lime, and are extremely tough. Aglaonemas are also excellent oxygen producers and were highlighted in the NASA list. The plant can grow well in soil and water. Number 8. Hearleaf Philodendron. A perfect trailing plant for bedrooms with low light. It vines endlessly, looks amazing on shelves, and is one of the best formaldehyde filters among common houseplants. The plant can grow well in soil and water. I have kept one in my windowless bathroom for 3 years, still alive, still growing. Number 7. Pothos. NASA ranked Pothos in the top tier for removing toxins. It thrives in shade, grows extremely fast, and propagates in water in just 2 to 3 weeks. Whether you choose golden, marble queen, or neon, this plant stays lush even in dim corners. They easily grow both in water and soil. Money plants are very popular in Indian and Chinese culture for attracting wealth, prosperity, and good luck. It reduces anxiety and stress and makes a calm and serene environment at home. Number 6. Peace Lily. Peace lily plant is perfect for bedrooms because of its high oxygen output and elegant white blooms. It is a true shade. Peace lily can grow in near darkness, and when they are thirsty, they droop dramatically. Then bounce back within 30 minutes after watering. The plant can grow well in soil and water. My peace lily is thriving in water for the last 7 years, producing beautiful flowers every year. The peace lily is believed to cleanse negative energy and promote a sense of calm and mental balance in the home. Its white flowers are said to attract positive vibrations. Cast iron plant. The name says it all. This plant is as tough as cast iron. It performs well even if it is neglected or confined to dry environment or in dark hallways. It grows slowly, but it consistently produces oxygen and looks perfectly green even after months of forgetting. Spider plant. It is one of the highest oxygen-producing plants per square foot. It also throws out baby plants constantly, even in low light. Hang it high, let the babies cascade down, and you instantly turn a dim room into a mini jungle. Number 3. ZZ plant. This shiny, sculptural plant is a favorite in dark hotel lobbies and office corners. It can go for 2 to 6 months without water and still produce new stems. Looks expensive, grows in darkness, and pumps out oxygen steadily. It is one of the easiest plants on earth. Number 2. Dracaena varieties. These tall, elegant plants were top performers in the NASA Clean Air Study, especially for removing volatile toxic gases from indoor air. They thrive under fluorescent lights, dim rooms, and shaded corners.
Over time, They grow into impressive tree-like plants, making your bedroom look cleaner and taller.
Snake plant is the undisputed king of low-light oxygen plants. NASA calls it the best air purifier plant on the planet for removing toxins from air in the room. Why it is number one. It releases oxygen at night. Thanks to photosynthesis, it gives oxygen while you sleep. The best bedroom plant for cleaning air and peaceful sleep. Top NASA purifier. It improves air quality by filtering benzene, formaldehyde, xylene, toluene, and other toxic gases emitted from books, furniture, paint, wood polish, carpet, cleaners, and building material. Survives total darkness. You can literally put it in a dark corner for weeks and it won't care. Modern aesthetic. Its tall, upright, architectural shape fits perfectly in 2025 to 26 home decor. If you buy just one plant from this list, make it a snake plant. Bonus: simple care tips for all these plants. Water only when soil is fully dry. Use well-draining pots, no ceramic pots with no hole. Wipe leaves once a month for maximum photosynthesis. Fertilize lightly once in spring. Avoid overwatering, the number one killer of low-light plants. Please smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell to get notification when I post new videos. Thanks for watching.